Okay, Charlie, say something to him. Charlie, say something to him. Tell Chucky something and then send your balloon. Go ahead, Ellie. Go ahead, Jacob, your turn.
I love you, Chucky.
All right, Ash, go ahead.
I love you, Chucky. I miss you. Happy birthday. Love, Ashley.